Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about one of the easiest multilingual plugin for TranslatePress. So here's a breakdown. TranslatePress is a WordPress multilingual plugin that makes translating your site super easy without coding. It lets you translate pages, posts, themes, and plug directly from the front and using a visual interface so you can see exactly what you are editing in real time. It supports both manual and automatic translation together with the SEO friendly URL structure, and it works with WooCommerce, which make it a solid pick for business and creator who need a multilingual site without the complexity of traditional translation tools. That said, the full feature set like more languages, automatic translation credit, and advanced SEO control. It's tied to a paid plan, so cost can add up if you need a lot of languages. Some users also find the automatic translation need polishing for natural tone. So in my opinion, the TranslatePress stand out as one of the easiest multilingual plugin for WordPress, perfect for site owners who want a visual translation workflow and solid SEO support, but powerful user might still tweak output for perfect result. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.